OnePlus has been sharing tidbits about 6T for a while now, and with all these pieces of information, we are now very much aware of the upcoming beast. In an interview with CNET, the company's CEO Pete Law threw some light on the cutting-edge screen unlock technology found in the OnePlus 6T, and now we have a whole article on this particular topic which makes me think twice about the 6T. The OnePlus 6T is not gonna come with the best fingerprint technology. There are two types of in-display scanners available on the market, the optical scanner and the ultrasonic scanners, and the one the 6T is coming with is an optical in-display scanner. If this doesn't ring any bells, let me clarify. The ultrasonic fingerprint scanners are more accurate than optical ones due to the fact that ultrasound can reach ridges and pores, establishing a more complete 3D image of your fingertip, while the optical scanners work on a type of image recognition of your fingertip, and hence they can be easily fooled if we place a fingertip with more complex prints. However, in terms of speed, the optical ones are considered best. Additionally, if the software analysis and optimization is great on a device, then optical ones are also great in terms of security. I can totally understand why OnePlus didn't introduce the ultrasonic scanners, as they're expensive and can simultaneously increase the cost of the device. So the OnePlus 6T has already caused a stir in the smartphone market, and now it's time to reveal the storage variants of the device along with their respective prices. According to a leak published by mysmartprice.com, the OnePlus 6T will reportedly be available with a choice of 128 gigs or 256 gigs of onboard storage with RAM capacity of either 6 gigs or 8 gigs. As usual, the larger device will have 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of onboard storage. When it comes to pricing, these devices will cost Rs 37,999, Rs 40,999 and Rs 44,999 respectively. Now, this is again an increase of Rs 1,000. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.